In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to earn money directly to your bank account in Nigeria. And this website is actually one of the great websites, which of course we have made different kind of videos on it, on how you can actually make money by doing simple tasks online and make money on this website. Either you earn through Naira or through Nigerian or through dollar currency. You can actually make money in different ways. So I'm going to walk you through how to go about this website and how you can actually sign up and make money by doing or by completing small tasks on this website. So this is basically freebies website where you can actually make money by completing small tasks and earn money. So they have different kind of offers on this website, and this is basically the website homepage. So you can just sign up and earn cash by getting hired by people who are actually interested in hiring you to complete small tasks for them. So I'm going to walk you through the inside of this app and how you can actually go about it, and also how we have able to earn money on this website, and we have got paid 2 times on this website. So this is the first payment which we got on this website. So you can see this is the first payment, which was on 13 days ago. You can see on this on our email here, you can see withdrawal request granted, and you can see two guys finance here. So they send us the first payment on 13 days ago, and this is what the second payment, which of course you can also check. So you can see this is the second payment, which was 2 days ago on August 28th. So you can see this website is actually legit and they are paying very well. So let me walk you through the inside of this platform and how you can actually go about it. And you can also see available jobs on this website, over 14,000 available jobs, over 41,000 users, and then over 34,000 completed jobs on this website. And if you also scroll down, you also see the payout by different people who are already working on this website. So you see this is from cash withdrawal 608, 950, 475, 504, 3,000 plus, and the likes, like that. So people are getting paid on this website by completing different tasks, which of course it will help them to meet up to some certain demand for themselves. So I'll walk you through the inside of the platform, and if you haven't signed up yet, you can click on the link in the description of this video below to sign up on freebies platform, and then you will earn instant 500 naira to 1,000 naira, depend on where you're actually signing up from. So this is the inside of the platform, and you can see this is the dashboard, and you can see two guys finance. You can see this is the dashboard, and you can see we have 1,000 on our wallet balance, and you can see the referral over 61 people, almost 61 people that we have referred to this platform, and we have completed one jobs on this website. So don't worry, I'm gonna walk you through the tasks on this website so you can also be able to see how to go about it. So you just need 500 naira to sign up on this to upgrade your account on this website. And don't worry, even though if you don't upgrade your account here, you can still make money on this website. But for you to be able to withdraw any money you make from this website, you will have to upgrade your account, and it only costs 500 naira to upgrade your account on freebies platform. You can check on top left or right video on how you can actually upgrade your account for free for just 500 naira on this website, and you can also navigate from one job to another. So this is the inside of the app, and if you scroll down, you will see available jobs. You can see visit a website to perform a task. So this person need 30 people to perform this task, and over 25 people have already performed the task. You can also scroll down, you also see another one. If you scroll down, you see another one, 20 naira, 20 naira, 50 naira, and if you also scroll down, you see 40 naira. So if you complete all these tasks, these are available jobs. If you complete all these tasks, you can imagine how much you'll be making on a daily basis. And this is 20 naira to watch and share a video on Facebook, and this another one to, which is 125 naira to sign up using my referral link and get additional 100 MB. And if you also scroll down, you also see download, sign up, and do KYC. And this is another one, visit my website, and this is another one, 12 naira to comment and follow me on TikTok. It's another one 30 naira to tag your TikTok friend in the video. So you can see there are different tags. This is another one in dollars. It's another one in dollars. You can see there are different tags on this website, which of course you can actually sign up to make money for yourself. You can also do it a TikTok video and make money. You can see one completed out of 20. So 19 more people are needed to sign up to complete that task in order to make money. So you can see um more jobs are actually available if I keep on refreshing. Verification successful. So there are a lot of tasks on this website which of course you can actually sign up for and be able to make money. You can also switch your currency into another currency which is from naira to dollar. It all depends on what you actually want. And if I click on the referral section, you can see all people that we have referred to this platform. So you can also get started and then start making money on this website. So you have less worry about when it comes to freebies platform, because we have made videos on this platform and how you can actually go about it without any difficulties. So sign up using the link in the description below and make sure you start completing small tasks on freebies platform and start earning money directly to your bank account. You can also find it easy on how to withdraw money on freebies platform. So you can withdraw as less as 500 naira. So that means this website is actually more different from other platforms that would say that until you make or earn 5,000 naira before you can be able to withdraw on their website. But this website is actually different. So sign up today and start making money by completing small tasks. If you have any other question, you can let us know through the comment section below. I'll try as much as possible to reply to your request. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one.